To turn your drawing to a watercolor painting with Sketch to Image on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, remove your S Pen. On the Air command menu, tap Sketch to Image. Now, draw something. Next, make sure that you choose watercolor for the output style. And then tap Generate button to let the AI to convert your drawing into a watercolor painting. Once done, here you can see that you will be provided with some result. You can swipe the result section to the left to see the other images. If needed, you can tap the down arrow icon or save icon at the top of the screen to download the selected image and then save it to the Sketch to Image album on your gallery. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.